meghalayapost.news.
Uba A.L Hek nongilam ke Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Hakajala uba dari ruam le na pentorum kra mentaka singi ulayat tu baka Sorkar Kmie Ïaka Pynthikna baka Jingtyrwa Ïaka uban penyok Kyrdan Ïaka North Eastern Indira Gandhi Institute of Health and Medical Science NEIGRIHMS kum ketaka shillong ka bakongsan hakari lani ketaka Institute of National Importance INI kadang don hapdeng ke jing perkhat benya habakran shkilat pathai khubor uba A.L Hek ulayat tu uba yakani kaman ulada banshim khia bad menteri berem ke Sorkar pedeng uba di Kmie Ïaka tanat jong ka kot ke khia bad ubalayo ru Ïaka bab kablong sautenan hakabai dei bat ka INI jong ka NEIGRIHMS ngalada ban ajing tho so menteri berem jong ka koj ka khia bat utei menteri ula pentem bakani ka kam kadang don hapdeng ka jing perkhat benya uba A.L Hek ula banjur biang Ïaka Jingtyrwa Ïaka jingwan yu kujat jong JP nada menteri jong ka tanat ka koj ka khia ka Sorkar pedeng Hakajala hakini kiniat sngi ban plipaj ba Ïaka ARHI hospital kabdan hajaroban ulai tu bakinong trei jong ka NEIGRIHMS kilai ti ru Ïaka dorkhas shautei menteri ka Sorkar pedeng hakate jingwan yu kujat ka jong u sha ka jela hakini kiniat sngi habau menteri ke Sorkar pedeng badai Kmie Ïaka tanat ke koj ke khia UJP nada ulawan ban plipaj ba Ïaka hospital ngalayo kalat ban kendu yau kinong trei ka NEIGRIHMS ru kilai ti da jingtho shautei menteri ban penbenano Ïaka NEIGRIHMS kum keslam ka bakongsan hakari ulong yangi bun bishar benya bat Pynthikna yanga bun so penurlong Ïaka Jingtyrwa laong uba A.L Hek.
So we have
regarding the INI of the NEIGRIHMS hospital, this is not the first time. When Mansukh Mandavia, when he was health minister, that time also I have written to him, and also he had acknowledged me very clearly that is under the considerations. So recently, when the Honorable Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Shri J.P. Nadda ji came to Shillong to inaugurate the RE hospital, so I got an opportunity to meet him, and also got a letter given by all the NEIGRIHMS employees associations to recognize the NEIGRIHMS hospital as the INI, the Institutes of National Importance. So that one also he already given he told that he will examine and assured me it will be considered.
meghalayapost.news.